is definitely in. Kung ang abroad merong Spice Girls, She Moves, and All Saints, which are actually all-girl bands, well, we do have an all-girl band too. Have you heard of the Tangerine? Well, here they are to sing their carrier single of their first album, Huwag na Huwag.
Di ko kaya magaw kanya o ang laging insulto sa'kin. Di bali ng araw-araw awain mo ako. Basta wag mo lang iiwan ako. Handa kong bigay ang lahat ko, maging sunod-sunuran sa mga gusto mo. Mananahimik sa iyong paglalaro. Ito sa'yo mikot ang mundo. Ako, wag na wag mong magawa na ako ay iiwan mo. Takot ako mag-isa dito sa mundo. Wag na wag mong magawa na ako takot akong mag-isa dito sa mundo. Wag na wag mong magawa na ako ay iiwan mo. Takot akong mag-isa dito sa mundo.
Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Cantana and the Tangerine. Tangerine, these are the boys of Cantana. Cantana boys, these are the girls of Tangerine.
Okay.
Okay, first and foremost, siguro nagtataka din kayo katulad ko, no? Bakit kaya gano'n ang mga pangalan ng mga grupo nila? Tangerine. Eh, naka-black naman sila. Why Tangerine? Where'd you get the name?
Kasi ano siya, yung sa fruit,
yung color niya kasi bright. Gusto namin
So, ma-compare sa isang bagay na nag-drive sa personalities namin. And
So
since,
you have bright personalities?
siguro,
Vibrant personalities?
siguro, tapos yung fruit mismo, titignan mo siya, small fruit, pero once you taste it, it perks you up. Napaka-pungent.
Once you taste it, it perks you up. First, I'd like you to meet each one of them. Isa sings soprano 1. Arlene sings alto 2. Rodeline sings alto 1. And Jen and Aimee both sing soprano 2. Right? Okay. What about the guys of Cantana? Where'd you get your name?
The boys. When we first started, it was nagmamakaawa kami na makatugtog kami in places. So ang sweldo
come on.
Yeah, true. True.
Bakit nagmamakaawa? Sarap nga pakinggan ng music
ang
niya.
sweldo namin nun, soft drinks lang, happy na kami. So sasabihin
Sobra.
So we were so out of it. We really just wanted to play. So the MC or the floor director would go, "Oy, kayo, kanta na. Kayo na, kanta na." Ayun.
Siya po si Erwin Maceda and he is the son of Senator Maceda. Ayan.
Good afternoon.
And syempre ang isa naman, ito'y hindi naman kapatid ni Robin De Rosa. Kamukha lang, pero Robin din ang pangalan niya. Si Robin. Robin
afternoon. Good
Concepcion. Concepcion. Ang middle name nila, Baxter. Half English. Ayan ang brother niya na Pogi Ren, si Randy. Yan. Another Robin De Rosa lookalike. At syempre, yung dalawa namang Tan. Magandang
Pinoy na
kulay sa
Pinoy.
lalaki ang Tan na yan eh. Tsaka magaganda naman ang mga mata nila. Si Jude
Good afternoon.
and of course, Neil.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.
Okay, the guys ba, do you have voices also like tenor 1, tenor 2, bass 1,
Yung
baritone?
boses namin, pa-chamba-chamba, no?
Pachamba-chamba? Ba't parang hindi halata?
By feel lang. Kung ano yung masarap gawin,
Oo, masarap lang.
masarap kantahin yun.
Minsan, kung feel namin na mag-first voice o second voice, sige.
Bahala na?
banat na lang, no?
Eh, what kung hindi mag-jive?
Sinisikap naman namin, no?
Muna.
Broken
Pinapractice
chord ang tawag doon. Pag hindi
Broken.
Ganon?
And then short, mahilig kami mag-experiment.
Ayun.
Tignan natin kung ngayon,
In all aspects ba?
Si Neil talagang mahilig talaga mag-eksperimento yung
Talaga?
mama niya.
importante kasi
Saan? Sa
ano,
drinks, sa pagmamaneho, sa pagtutugtog ng gitara?
sa music.
Well, actually, yung
Sa music.
one of our songs in the album, parang nabuo yun sa eksperimento. Kasi there's this one song in the album na, ano siya, tawag namin Chop Suey. It's a mixture of foreign song tsaka isang Tagalog song, pinaghalo. Aksidente lang na nabuo.
I wonder if all the other songs of the girls are also, of the Tangerine are parang cool music or easy listening.
Hindi naman. Basically kasi ang music namin is pop R&B, pero more on R&B.
sorry?
R&B, rhythm and blues.
Rhythm and blues,
Yeah. Tapos,
pero upbeat.
hindi naman.
rin.
May mga songs kaming may beat ng konti.
Lahat ng songs, you also have some English songs.
Yeah, 6.
What's That You're Doing? So It's You. Is this a remake?
Yeah,
So
two
It's
remakes. So It's You and Your Love.
For so long. Yun. Your Love. Ano yung Your Love?
Kay Deborah Loss.
Foreign song siya.
Foreign. I was just wondering, no, how did you get your blending, talagang the right kind of blending? Did you just meet together? Were you friends? Barkada ba kayo ng school na, tara, form tayo ng band?
But training din pa.
Tinrain kami ng manager namin for 1 year bago kami.
Your manager is a vocal coach?
Mr. Larry Hermoso.
Larry Herboso?
Hermoso.
Hermoso. Oh. So you all took voice lessons. But did you have to audition to be able to get together and form this group?
Audition.
How? How long did it take? Like out of how many girls?
200.
200?
Piling-pili pala itong
Ibig
mga
mo
to.
sabihin, out of 200 girls, kayo ang nagwagi! Oh,
Well,
the cream of the crop, so Neil. You are sitting beside two girls who belong to the cream of the
I
crop.
feel very...
The girls, bata pa sila eh. Pero do you have your own business also or work aside from singing?
wala pa. Nag-aaral po kami lahat.
Ay, nag-aaral pa kayo lahat. Where do you study, Iza? Robin, pahiramin mo naman ang mic. Kaya pala hindi siya nagsasalita eh.
Central Escolar University.
Are you taking up dentistry?
No, mass communication.
Mass communication. So what year are you now?
First year.
First year. Oh, what about Arlene?
Sa Angelicum College.
Angelicum. Are you high school?
College student.
May I college bang Angelicum? What course are you taking?
Communication arts.
Communication. What about Rodilim?
Angelicum.
Angelicum. So your classmates?
No.
What course are you taking up?
High school pa lang ako eh.
You're high school?
Yeah.
What year are you?
Third year high school.
You're only 16?
15. Turning 16 pa lang.
Matanda ka pa kay Danica. Oh, please don't call me mommy, ha? Does it show? Graba! What about Jen?
Miriam College.
Miriam, so you're college. What are you taking up?
Communication arts.
Lahat kayo communication
Guys.
Ibang course? Ha? What about Aimee?
Quezon Memorial College.
What are you taking up?
No, I'm in fourth year high school.
Fourth year high
Fourth
school?
year, yeah. 15 years old. 15? Yeah.
I have a special request of the ladies.
Oh.
Kung pwede lang, don't call me Tito Neil. Call me Kuya Neil na lang.
Okay.
Don't call me Tito Neil, call me Kuya Neil.
Kuya Neil. Okay.
Well, as far as I'm concerned, it's just a number. Okay, sino naman, kasi napag-usapan na natin ang mga manliligaw, dahil yung mga girls wala pang trabaho, so they spend their time studying and entertaining suitors. Sino ba ang pinakamaraming koleksyon ng mga suitors?
Oh, shoot!
Tatakot eh.
Ha? Si Arlene ba? Si Aima ba? Si Jen? Rodeline?
Si Iza.
Iza?
Hindi po, si Amy po. Siya, sa Lorene. Si Amy po.
Paano yan pag halimbawa kumakanta kayo, let's say sa isang lounge? Eh, strict ba ang parents? Nakatag-along ba ang mga mother?
Hindi po. Hindi po sila sumasama sa mga...
Hindi sila sumasama. Have you banned them?
No.
Hindi naman say, Mommy, please, huwag naman kayong sumama. Nagiging nene naman kami masyado.
Ay, hindi naman.
Malaki lang po yung tiwala nila sa...
Sa manager namin.
Ha?
Malaki lang talaga yung tiwala ng mommy namin sa manager.
Hindi sila strict.
Kaso nga,
At sa amin
malaki
din.
ang tiwala nila sa manager ninyo at sa inyo. Eh, paano yung mga nakapaligid sa inyo? Katulad ni ano?
Macho naman manager namin.
Malaki ang tiwala na kay Robin. Naku, Robin, ha? Baka napapanood ka ng asawa mo. Okay. Pero what about the guys? I mean, how did you get together?
Neil and I have been friends since we were in prep. Okay? Tapos,
Prep.
kinder. Yan. Tapos,
Went to the
Neil
same
and
school.
That was
Jude.
how many years ago?
We went to the same school.
15.
Can't remember.
Ganon? Parang hindi
15
totoo. Oh, anyway.
Neil and Jude, dorm mates in UP Los Baños.
Ah.
And then these guys are my friends naman na dun sa
Sa Gel Boys.
iba, sa Gel Boys mula noon pa. And
Oo
then,
nga, ba't hindi na kayo naka-gel ngayon?
mahal na.
Numinipis yung buhok namin sa kakadyan eh.
Oo nga.
Ah, ganon?
Saka pomade yung ginagamit namin nun.
Okay.
Tanchotic, saka Three Flowers.
Three flowers, sabi ko na nga ba?
Diba? Hindi, si Robin nun, Vitalis.
White, medyo social na yun. Eh, so ngayon, ano nang gamit nyo?
Well,
Moose.
Moose.
The Moose Boys.
Yeah.
O, teka muna. So, paano kayo nagkasama? So, classmates mo yung dalawa, dorm mates. Paano na kayo nagkasama
Basta,
ng job?
ano,
Barkada ninyo?
We jammed in a garage one night. We enjoyed it. We did it again the next week. It became a weekly thing. Next thing we knew, we were invited to play here and there. And then one thing led to another. And then we found out we had original compositions pala. And then soon we felt that maybe we can share our music with
The
a
others.
larger public.
Oo, parang
How
gano'n.
very good.
So, nagsimula kami, talagang jamming lang.
Jamming sa garahe.
Nagdadasal kami nung kay San Miguel.
Ganon?
Oo,
Nagdadasal
tapos-
kayo kay San Miguel.
Oh, tapos napag-isipan namin na
Stainless?
pag ginawa
O
namin
ano,
to sa
Pilsen?
isang bar, hindi yung pagdadasal namin may sponsor. Kumbaga mababayaran pa namin yung
Eh, akala ko ba
kakainin
sabi ni
namin.
Neil, you were invited, masyado ka namang humble, pinapalabas mo para bang pumilit kayo sa mga tao.
Nagmamakaawa lang talaga kami noon.
Ganon.
Walang gustong
Anyway, you know, we're having so much fun. Sabi nga ninyo, you were jamming and sila naman, some of them were classmates and they met together. Let's jam when we get back, but maybe, you know, a different kind of jamming. We'll play a game.
Sana'y maibalik sa tahimik ang buhay ko at isip. sa tuwing gising ko.